In PostalPoint, there are many ways to use your barcode scanner to save time. This video will show you some ways to use barcodes in PostalPoint. When sending a package in USPS or FedEx free packaging, scan the barcode printed on the box. PostalPoint will automatically fill in the correct package information. If you sell boxes in your store, make sure to add their dimensions to the merchandise list. When you scan your box's barcode, its size will be filled in for you and the box will be added to the sale. You can scan the barcode on the back of a driver's license or ID card to fill in the return address. Scanning a driver's license also works when creating a customer or opening a mailbox. Of course, you can scan product barcodes on the merchandise or checkout screens to add the item to the current sale. You might not know that when adding a merchandise item to the database, you can also scan its barcode instead of typing it. The barcode will be added to the selected row in the spreadsheet. If you ever need to scan a barcode into a website you're using inside PostalPoint, this works too. Just click into a text box on the website, scan, and the barcode will be typed in. If you use employee accounts, you can set a badge barcode for an employee in the user manager. They can scan it to instantly log in. You can print barcodes for your mailboxes too. Scan the mailbox's barcode when adding or editing the box to set it up. While delivering box mail, open Mail Delivery Notifications and scan the barcodes as you put mail in the boxes. When you're done, your customers will get an email that they have new mail in their box. I hope you learned something new that will save you time in PostalPoint. Thanks for watching.